back to the channel. Just doing a quick little update here at BBC headquarters. This car here, the one we pulled the motor out of, we're gonna start doing the build on that. So I've got that one torn down all the way completely, and it's gonna be going to the machine shop. Got the bed plate, the head, and the block ready. We're gonna get those pieces honed and resurfaced and cleaned up. And then I got my buddy over here, Dylan. He's gonna be the next one that we're gonna be taking apart. Make sure to go ahead and follow his page. I'll link it down below. It's Chicago E9X. We've got a lot of N54 content on that channel as well. Next motor I'm doing is gonna be Damien's here. That's that gray 135 that you've seen in my videos. I've got a spare block that was given to me by a customer. I'm gonna show a little time lapse of me disassembling that motor so you guys can see what the process is on that. And that should be all. Nothing crazy. We're just getting started on these 4 engine builds that I've got going on. We still got to pull out the motor off of Barney, and that's it. I got one more huge project that you guys are gonna definitely want to watch. I'm hoping to get the car by next week, but basically we're going like balls to the wall, probably closed deck, built head, everything, and we're going to document the entire build per the customer's request. And this is going to be a special build, which I'll show you in the next video. We've got something a little different going on with this car. Anyways, we'll get on with the show here, and I hope you enjoy. So I got this motor for free. I was told it had a rod knock, and yeah, I think it was knocking. Hopefully the crank is not completely destroyed, which it probably is. These definitely aren't factory bolts for that. Cylinder 1, Definitely a little bit rough. I can feel. All right, so this is the bearing in question. Let's take a look. Ooh. Yeah, there's nothing there. No bearing at all. Here's the bottom one. It's just a piece of paper. Cylinder 5, starting to get pretty bad. Can feel all the grooves. Here's the lower bearing on cylinder 5. Few grooves on cylinder 2, nothing crazy. Cylinder 3, again, small grooves, nothing crazy. Cylinder 4, it's got some pitting and also some grooves you can feel. So here are the bearings that came out of the motor we just disassembled. These are the rod bearings. Cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is all that's left of 6. So this is the motor that had a knock, which we've got right here. It's all torn down, got it all taken apart. And looks like the only issue we have here is with the crank. I'm gonna give this to the machine shop. I'm sure that they can get this fixed up, you know, polished. We may need to run an oversized bearing on this side, but all the rest of them seem pretty good. Don't really feel anything there. So yeah, here's the head. Head gasket was fine. Obviously we're getting all new components in this motor. So the plan is this motor here is going to be Damien's. Damien's is the one that was built already. I think he's got like maybe 7,000 miles on the build, and we did bend a few valves. So we're just going to redo everything again, and hopefully we'll get it on the road, hopefully by springtime. But that's going to be all for today.